I'm here at Dennington Hall Farm in Suffolk with Ross from Restore, and we are going to distribute some of the ARX Naturalis habitats around this very exciting project which has been developed to encourage the natural world and an economically viable farm to work harmoniously together. This is an ideal situation because there are many elements of this habitat that are in their relative infancy, and that's the sort of spot which is going to have a big invertebrate baseline. Birds are going to want to try and feed on that resource, but they haven't got anywhere to nest. What's so exciting for me is that ARX Naturalis and Restore are going to be working together to monitor the progress or otherwise of these habitats and to see just how efficacious they are. It's just going to be great to see what they attract in this environment and just how many of them get occupied. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, that's good. That's it. So this is the third of the cavity nesters that we're putting around this woodland. Good idea to group them within a space. It seems ironic that there are so many trees and yet there are absolutely no natural cavities in here. So hopefully this is going to make it a much more attractive proposition come the spring, and the more resident birds that you get in a space like this, the more balanced the ecosystem as a whole. This entire plantation is of trees of about the same age. There's absolutely no layering in terms of their aging, and so what we're doing in effect is creating old tree opportunities. That's it. Good. Well, this is a multi-species large cavity nester. It's a mouthful. An owl box, yes, it will work for barn owls, potentially for tawny owls, for kestrels, any large bird that uses large holes in trees. And even though this is a very mature oak, it doesn't really have a suitable nesting cavity within it. So this sort of box, several of them around a habitat where there's suitable food. There's lots of brilliant meadow grass and planting here for wild birds, which also of course attracts small mammals like field voles. The perfect prey for a barn owl, for a kestrel. Now they've got somewhere to raise a family.